This activity is called Find the Equivalence with the Wall of Fractions, Freudenthal diagram. The diagram is a manipulated material that helps to understand the fractions more easily. We want to use it because we want to encourage innovation and that students learn in a more dynamic and motivated way. The duration of this activity will be a 45-minute session where we will work 4 corners in the classroom. The fraction wall is a rectangular diagram divided by horizontal bands, where each of these groups of fractions above the diagram represents the unit number 1, the second strips divided into 2, each of division represents a medium, the third in 3, and each one represents a third, and so on.
Next, we are going to introduce the explanation of the diagram through an example. We imagine that the one is a loaf of bread. If a loaf of bread, we break it in half. We have the bread divided in 2 parts, okay? That in fractions would be represented a medium, 8 part. If this loaf is divided into 3 parts, the equivalent fraction it will be 1/3, 8 part.
Now we take half a loaf of bread that is the same as 2 quarters, and 2 quarters of the loaf is equal to 3/6, and 3/6 of the loaf is the same as 4/8, and so on. It is said all the fractions are equivalent. Therefore, children should understand through this diagram that if a child eats half a loaf of bread, a medium, and another child eats 4/8 of the loaf of bread, they are eating the same thing. Finally, to see if the children have understood the equivalence of the fractions, we will distribute a paper with the black and white diagram, and they will have to color those fractions that are equivalent to the fraction that we choose. For example, a medium. Therefore, they will color 2 quarters, 3/6, 4/8, 5/10, and 6/12.